Hi guys, it's Tony again. I came across another product you might be interested in. This is the 20th of June 2019. So I'm in Lidl at the moment. This is a Parkside product. It takes that type of battery. I think I did another video on this before. That's something you've got to watch out for. The batteries aren't expensive anyway, but you don't want to get there and feel like, oh no, there's no batteries. Oh my god, nightmare. So that's a model number. Battery slot. Protective cover. So 2 batteries dropping in. Got a few on it. It says 2 batteries are required to operate this product. And that's the model number, guys. If you want to do some money, this is on in Lidl at the moment. And it's 20th of June 2020. Catch you later.